begging you, for the sake of our daughter. See, all this our fighting and bickering is scaring her. Please.
I don't care.
Please now, please, I'm begging you. Okay, you know what? She can hear us fighting. Okay, if you won't stay because of me, stay because of her. She needs you. She needs her mother. Please.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare ask me to stay. Okay?
Roslyn, wait now. See, I don't know how to raise a daughter.